Hey everybody, welcome to Disney's Wilderness Lodge. We just checked in and this is a room on the 6th floor with a courtyard view. We have a nice closet right inside the door here. As we come in and turn the corner, you'll see the nice ensuite bathroom. Hi everyone. And then into the bedroom, you can see very cool outdoorsy touches everywhere in this facility. We'll take a look at the other side of the room here. Welcome home, Blue family. And as we take a look outside, this is what they mean by a courtyard view. We're actually overlooking the main swimming pool here at the resort. Absolutely beautiful room. And we're very excited. This is our first time staying at this resort.